We're here. Let's go. Page 301. Thank you all for clicking on this video and being ready to get your work done. Do some math with me. Page 301, lesson 2 out of our new topic. We're going to need the note cards that we've been building from lesson 1 and just keep adding to your pile, adding to the different types of note cards that we use. Have something to write with, highlighter, pencil, pen, etc. And let's get into it. Okay, let's start off with this lesson by acknowledging or highlighting the stuff that's here. We have vocabulary words. We're talking about proving parallel line theorems. The learning goals for this lesson are to prove the corresponding angles theorem. So probably going to be a note card for that one. The same side interior angles theorem, the alternate interior angles theorem, and their converses. We're going to demonstrate understanding of the alternate interior angles theorem, the same side exterior angles theorem, and their converses. We're going to prove the perpendicular line theorem. We're going to write a proof plan to help connect mathematical statements using deductive reasoning, and we're going to construct parallel lines. The vocabulary list for this lesson is immense. We have corresponding angles theorem, corresponding angles converse theorem, which as I'm thinking about it now, probably deserves a little bit extra color just to like catch your eye that it's the flip. Same side interior angles theorem, and somewhere else, the same side interior angles converse theorem. Like I'm trying to highlight them in groups that connect. Alternate interior angles theorem. So every time I see the word converse, I'm going to look for that one and highlight it differently. Alternate there we go. Alternate interior angles converse theorem. So highlight that right there too. Alternate exterior angles theorem and alternate exterior angles converse theorem, which I guess is making the list of things we need to know half the size because converse just means flip it around. Same side exterior angles theorem, same side exterior angles converse theorem, and then perpendicular and parallel line theorem. These are all the vocabulary words in this lesson, and trust me, because of the depth of description in those vocabulary words, it's going to be immense, and you need to put in the work with your note cards as a resource to help drive those terms home, and then learn it. Right? Let's get into the review. Number 1, review takes 1 to 2 minutes. We'll probably take like a little bit of time here to talk about it. Let me zoom in for y'all. Identify the corresponding angles. And so right away, with some color, I'm going to identify at least right now 1 pair of corresponding angles. Corresponding angles, look it up. Check the glossary in the back of the book for some extra supports. Corresponding angles open the same way. Like angle 1 opens that direction. That direction opens the my gosh, my pointing. Opens that direction, right? It's opening up and to the left. So another angle out of our list of 8 angles that does the same thing is angle 5. And together, that's the only relationship angle 1 has. Angle 1 and angle 5. They are corresponding angles. Let's find another pair. Let me go ahead and just stay in the same location of the graph. Let's go angle 3 and angle 7. They both open down and to the left. And so for that reason, they are corresponding angles. Angle 3 and angle 7. That means there are only 2 more pairs, right? We did all of the ones on the left side of the line. So we have angle 2 and angle 6. They open the same way. And we have angle 4 and angle 8 as angles that open the same way. Those are the 4 pairs of corresponding angles. We are going to be using this skill set with the rest of the video, with the rest of these lessons from these pages. So keep in mind, we've got some vocabulary you need to be working on. Have your note cards where we're adding vocabulary and definitions and examples and page numbers and making these be a resource that really should help you with sorting when we have to do proofs and justifications. Thank you for watching this video. Please click on page 302, the next video working on our getting started, and I'll see you there.